This living room looks messy and a little chaotic right now, but in just a couple of minutes it's going to turn into a clean and relaxing space. Sometimes even a quick tidy can completely change the feeling of a room, and that's exactly what we're about to see. Hello everyone, I'm Ava, and welcome to Vision Effect TV. In today's short video, we're watching a quick living room tidy transformation. It's a simple process, but it's always satisfying to see how small changes can make a space look fresh and organized again. Let's first take a look at the living room before the cleanup begins. Several everyday items are scattered around the room, and the overall layout feels a little cluttered. When things start to pile up like this, the space can quickly lose its clean and relaxing atmosphere. Now the cleanup process begins. Items are picked up one by one, objects are placed back where they belong, and surfaces start to clear. Step by step, the room begins to look more organized. This kind of simple routine cleanup is often the easiest way to restore order to a living space. As the process continues, the difference becomes more noticeable. When everything is arranged properly, the room immediately starts to feel calmer and more comfortable. A tidy environment often makes a space more enjoyable to spend time in. Now the transformation is clearly visible. The furniture layout feels balanced again, the surfaces are clear, and the room looks much more inviting. It's impressive how a quick organization can make such a big visual improvement. And here we have the final result. The living room now looks clean, neat, and comfortable. Everything is back in place, creating a much more relaxing atmosphere. A quick cleanup like this doesn't take much time, but the result can completely refresh the space. Simple habits like organizing everyday items can make any room feel better and more enjoyable.